Okay, so for the second part of this video, I'm going to be starting up on card 9, and it says 0.23, 23 hundredths, divided by 0.7. Now, if I move that once and I move that once, that's the same as 7 and 2.3. If I move it one more time, that would be a 70 and a 23. And so doing it the way they've got it is, let's see, I've got 0.23 divided by 0.7 is the same as 2.3 divided by 7 is the same as 23 divided by 7d. All of those would work. In this, it would be 23 hundredths divided by 7 tenths, which is the same as 23 hundredths divided by 70 hundredths. So let's see which ones that makes. That's A is definitely there. B is definitely not. C is not with tenths and tenths, but D is. D is definitely one of those. And so is E. So A, D, and E. A, D, and E for that one. Next, here we go. If I set this one up, I mean, I can just look at it and see that there's something going on there. I've got 0.25. If I move this one once, twice, I move this one once, twice. That's 356 getting divided by 25. Whereas this one is 0.025 and 35.6. When I move this one 1, 2, 3 times, I've got to move this one 1, 2, 3 times. That's like 25 dividing into 35,600. There's going to be way more in expression 2 than expression 1. Number 11. Ooh, that looks ugly, but that shouldn't be that bad. It ends in a 96. That is a multiple of 16. So 36, 96. Can't go into 3, but it can go into 36. That's 2. That's 32. Subtract, get 4. Bring down the 9. That's 3. 48. Subtract, bring down the 6. 1. 16. Subtract. Boom. 231 times. Card 12. Ooh, a little bit uglier. 0.32 and then 21.48. I'm going to move this once, twice, move that one once, twice. It now becomes 32, which is not on my multiplication chart. And 2148. I'm going to put 0.00. I'm anticipating it going out a couple places there. This is the card number 12. Oh, actually, here we go. I don't need to figure it out. It's just to write an expression using whole numbers. So it would be 2148 divided by 32. That's my answer. I don't actually have to figure that out because it would have been ugly. Number 13. Oh, nice. 6 getting divided by 1.5. Move that once, move that once. It's how many times does 15 go into 60? That is in my multiplication chart. It goes in there 4 times. 4 times 15 is 60. Boom. 4. This is my answer. 14. We're on a roll now. I've got 15 divided by 40. You know you're doing something right if you've got to put a couple decimal points to start that up. Actually, I'm probably going to need one more for this. But we'll get there. 14 doesn't go into 1. 14 doesn't go into 15. So 0 point. I'm going to get a 3, would be 120. That would be 300. That would be 7, would be 280. Subtract, I'm going to add one more 0, yep. 200 would be 5. And that is 200 to the T. Here we go. 375 thousandths. Okay, not so bad. We're going to move the decimal point once, twice. I'm going to move the decimal points twice. It would be how many times does 4 go into 616.2? 4 goes into 6 one time. Subtract. 21 is a 520. Subtract 16. Ooh, this is where they're going to try to mess you up. There's a point right there, but it goes in there. 16 is perfect. And so you get a 0. You have to bring down the 2, and then you have to know that 4 goes into 2 0 times. Add another 0. And now it goes in there 5 times. That extra 0 is going to mess some people up. I know it is. But like $154.05. Here we go. And the last problem is $13.95. Well, I'm going to do it up here. One place. It's how many times does 12 go into 139.5? And so 12 goes into there one time. I'm making sure that I'm doing some of these problems I did, and then I didn't. It turns out I just had to write the equation. So that's 1275. Let's say 6 is a 72, and 3, if I bring down the 0, is a 2. So 30 would be 24. Subtract it a 6, add another 0 at the end, put it down there, and 5. 11.625. How many miles was she cycling? 11.625 miles per hour. 11.625 mph. And that's all there is to the second half. The second half for me was a lot quicker than the first half. I think I finally just got warmed up. And so if you have any questions, please ask in class. If not, I'll see you in the next video.